Well, taking into consideration the present predicament, I know efforts have been made and is still going on in trying to bring the warring factions together. We took the pain of traveling to Parakot to meet with Wike, and discussions are still ongoing. And I know last week they were in another meeting too. And by the special grace of God, we'll get over it. Well, Benue is a state in northern region. We have 19 states. And the problem is not between the good people of Benue State and Atiku Abubakar. It's between Governor Ortom and Atiku. So you have to differentiate between the two. As far as I'm concerned, we are good to go in the north. Human factor. He has made it abundantly clear that the presidential candidate has not been talking good about the problem within the Benue plateau, within the Benue state. And as far as I'm concerned, they have had discussions and issues of tribal differences came up, particularly the Fulani and Benue people problem. Atiku, as a Fulani man, made his own comments, and the Benue governor was not happy. So that is the problem on ground now.